Hey guys, it's Kai here and I'm back with another simple juice recipe. This is going to be a papaya pineapple juice, and this juice is going to help with digestion and it has so many other great benefits, so let's get straight to it. For this juice you'll need one whole, very ripe papaya. Papaya has an enzyme called papain, and this enzyme is going to help aid in digestion, prevent constipation, and also help with being more regular. Papaya is also high in antioxidants. It can help boost immunity and fight inflammation. And you'll need one whole pineapple. The enzymes in pineapple help to break down protein located in your gut, and pineapple is also going to help with things like gas, constipation, and bloating. Now it's time to slice up our fruits, starting with the papaya. I just scooped out the seeds with a spoon and I cut the skin of the papaya with a potato peeler. Be sure not to throw away the core of the pineapple. It has a lot of nutrients. If you want, you can keep the skin and just wash it off really well and boil it and make a tea out of the pineapple skin, because that also has a lot of great benefits. Now I finally have everything all chopped up and we are ready to juice. Juicing the papaya was really tricky because my juicer ended up getting backed up with a ton of pulp, and so I had to clean it halfway through and just rinse out all of that excess pulp because I could not get it to go down. And here we have our juice. This juice was very thick, almost like a smoothie, or kind of like halfway between a juice and a smoothie. But can I be honest with you guys? Initially, this juice tasted perfect, but the papain enzyme that I mentioned earlier has a very bitter aftertaste, and I couldn't handle it. As you can see here, I was giving it a thumbs up because I liked it initially, but that aftertaste was a little bit too much for me. But I still wanted to go ahead and post this video in case any of you out there don't mind the taste of papaya and wanted to do something more creative with it. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.